Hi, welcome over to our YouTube channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction, Mind Power. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. Now my friend, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now. Click on the red button to subscribe and click on the bell notification button so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. We have already a lot of new videos. We already have a lot of videos in the past. You might have not seen, so go back to them on Hypnosis, NLP, and Law of Attraction and Mind Power. And now in this video, my friends, I'm going to show you the clippings from my live training program. So there's a specific technique we're going to discuss here. So watch them, learn from there, and when you like this videos, please share and leave comments. So go to the live seminar now. Thank you. Yeah, sit down. Right hand palm upwards, left hand palm downwards. Now imagine there is a heavy, thick, black color encyclopedia kept on your right hand. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand. Pretend it is there. Feel the weight of the book. It's a 5 kg book. And your left hand, there is a big gas balloon tied, pulling your left hand up, up, up toward the ceiling. Up, up toward the ceiling. Imagine, feel and believe. Imagine that more number of balloon added to your left hand and it is moving up, 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 up. And on your right hand, we put another book. Now it's 10 kgs, heavy. Your right hand is going down, down, down. Left hand is moving up, 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 up toward the ceiling. Now the person I'm going to touch go into a deep hypnosis now. Sleep, loose, limp and relax, loose, limp and relax, loose, limp and relax, loose, limp and relax, loose, limp and relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Sleep. Sleep, deeply relax, very, very deeply and comfortably relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Sleep, loose, limp and relax, loose, limp and relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Now I'll count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double your relaxation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Now for the next 10 minutes, it's suggesting will work only for the next 10 minutes. For the next 10 minutes, every time I snap my finger, say sleep now, you will instantly close your eyes and drop down into deep state of hypnosis. You go 10 times deeper and faster than now. Each and every time I use this trigger, you go 10 times deeper and faster than before. So get ready now. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. And look at my hand and sleep. Now, very, very deeply relax, very, very deeply relax. Now, again I repeat the same time. For the next 10 minutes, whenever I see the word sleep now, snap my fingers, trigger for you to instantly close your eyes and drop down into deep state of hypnosis. So get ready now. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and sleep. Now, very deeply relax. That's wonderful. Again, 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and sleep now. Fantastic. Just let it happen. Just enjoy. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Now at the count of 3, open your eye, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. 1, feel the energy coming back into your body. 2, become aware of surroundings. And 3, open your eyes. Now this is the method used by the stage hypnotist. Hi my friend, you really enjoyed what you learned from the live training program. This is the kind of workshop we conduct. Different kind of workshop, hypnosis, NLP, law of attraction. So my friend, if you are really interested in attending a live training program, click on the bell button down or call us on our mobile number. If there is a workshop happening right now, register for the workshop. We conduct workshop on hypnosis, NLP and law of attraction and mind power. And I personally work with the sportsmen. So my friend, if you are a sportsman, call us for one-on-one session. So my friend, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. We are going to upload a lot of new videos now, to the point videos, short but simple videos, and I am sure you are already enjoying this video. So my friend, see you personally sometime in the future, and thank you very much and all the best. Thank you.